welcome back to our channel. We're doing an unboxing because we just went on a shopping spree. It's really expensive, so we didn't buy much. So first I'll show you guys my face mask. So I bought this like really cute Cheetos face mask, and it was like the only one there, so it might be rare. And now show you the mirrors.
I got this watermelon face mask, and it's Korean. And I'm pretty sure it has like 5 in it.
And now we'll both show you the final surprise that is technically, I won't say it yet actually. 3, 2, 1. It's basically like a Labubu, but extend its bears and Hello Kitty.
Yeah. I want this one, or this one, or this one.
I want this one, and this one. I'm fine with the rest, but
There might be a card in it, so don't look at the bottom.
let's open it in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's red.
It's
Like a Labubu.
It's like real. Okay. And now you have
Oh, it doesn't.
Oh, I saw it. Oh, it's so we actually got one of the ones that I want. I'm not gonna say it yet.
I really want it.
Oh. What did you get? I got the one I wanted. And it's perfect because I'm gonna have a pink room when I'm 10.
What did you get, Liam? Is that the one you wanted?
No, but I like it.
Awesome.
I like it better on pink. You guys, now, this is the end of the video, so subscribe and